We're doing a flat roof today. We got to take this rail down, set it down on the ground, tear off the old, if you would call it flat roof. I don't call it a good flat roof. We got to redo it. Builder never did it right. We just painted this house and the water was coming through the column. It's no wonder why. No flashing. No brick flashing. And short on the flat roof too. And we're doing the chair off. Here's the new flashing. This is what should go on a flat roof. This is called Rock Guard, and we had it color matched to medium bronze, which will match the gutters and everything. This is the base sheet, it's mule hide, and this is the counter flashing. Goes into a brick just like that. Here's where the brick flashing needed to be, and we're going to run a line all the way across here.
The other guys is put the base over because it's no wood.
Yeah.
It's in the bottle.
Yeah.
For no problem, for no leaking and cover other
Okay.
little piece.
Okay.
That's it. And the other, put the
Nice
drip edge.
solid base coat. And that goes up. See?
Yeah.
And then we put the
Put the
brick-
drip edge.
brick
and
flashing.
brick flashing.
and we're good.
Yeah.
We're putting up the Rock Guard special flashing for flat roof. Here's the base, super sticky base, and this is the roll roofing, peel stick on roll roofing. Okay, we are done with putting the rails back up. Flat roof is finished. Just have some touch-up painting where the water leak was. Water came right through there. Everything's bolted back together. Beautifully sealed. Brick flashing put in, Rock Guard all the way around. Here's the new flat roof. Project completed.